Picking the right smoke alarm for your home can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With different types of power sources, different kinds of sensors, and completely different feature sets, it can become overwhelming to pick the right alarm for your situation. That's why we at FirstAlertStore.com have compiled a list of our very best photoelectric smoke alarms, each with their own unique features for you to choose from. Photoelectric smoke alarms are designed to quickly detect slow smoldering fires that can be caused from a lit cigarette setting fire to clothing or upholstery. Here are our top 5 picks for photoelectric smoke alarms. The PR710 is a 10-year sealed battery smoke alarm with a slim and stylish design. The photoelectric sensor present is optimized to detect larger smoke particles produced by the previously mentioned smoldering fires and can easily distinguish between real threats and smoke or vapor produced during showering, cooking, and other everyday activities. The built-in 10-year lithium battery provides continuous power for the life of the alarm, so you never have to worry about swapping batteries or power outages, and allows for a quick installation with no wiring required. The sleek profile of this alarm is half as thick as a standard alarm, has a single silence and test button on the front, features a white finish that blends seamlessly with most home decor, and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Moving on to the PRC710, this alarm shares a lot of characteristics as the previous alarm, but has the added benefit of being a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. The 2-in-1 design features the same photoelectric sensor as the PR710, but also includes an electrochemical sensor to detect carbon monoxide. Unlike fire smoke, carbon monoxide can't be seen, smelled, or tasted in the air, and is the leading cause of accidental poisoning deaths in America. Even with the addition of the electrochemical sensor, the alarm retains its slim, space-saving design and 10-year sealed lithium battery with 10-year limited warranty. Up next on the list, we have the SCO5CN. This battery-operated combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm gives you the ultimate protection from 2 deadly dangers. Like the PRC710, it's equipped with both a photoelectric sensor for smoke and an electrochemical sensor for carbon monoxide. The easy-access battery door on the alarm removes the hassle and burden of taking down your smoke alarm from the ceiling or wall to replace the batteries when it's time. A single silence test button is present on the front of the alarm, and it comes with a 7-year limited warranty. Taking a step away from battery-operated alarms, we have the SA521CN3ST, which is the first hardwire alarm we have on this list. This hardwired smoke alarm lets you install additional First Alert alarms for an interconnected safety network in your home. This alarm can connect and communicate with up to 12 compatible smoke alarms and 6 compatible devices like horns or repeaters, so when one alarm is triggered, the entire system reacts, giving you the quickest possible alert to danger. A battery backup is included, so even in the event of a power outage, your system will still be functioning. An easy-access battery door is present, a single silence test button is on the front of the alarm, and the alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. And rounding off this list is the 1039102 Onelink Hardwired Smart Alarm. This smart alarm is a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that allows you to connect to both Apple HomeKit and Google. It enables the ability to send you emergency notifications to your phone or other smart devices, and even lets you conveniently test and silence the alarm via the Onelink Home app. The premium speaker on the alarm's face provides immersive omnidirectional audio with crisp vocals and powerful bass for audio and entertainment, and enables you to use Alexa voice services for convenience and control. This hardwired alarm also includes a 10-year sealed lithium battery backup, so you're always protected, even in the event of a power outage, and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. For more information, or to purchase any of the alarms from this list, visit www.firstalertstore.com.